Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi using fresh lettuce. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a healthy side dish or snack. First, gather your main ingredients, including 1 large head of crisp lettuce and the components for our vibrant kimchi paste. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the lettuce to creating that signature spicy, tangy flavor. Let's get started on this delightful culinary adventure. Now, let's prepare our lettuce. Begin by cutting your fresh lettuce into manageable 2-inch to 3-inch pieces. Next, generously salt the lettuce with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coarse sea salt. Allow it to sit for 30 to 60 minutes. This process draws out excess water, ensuring a crisp texture. Finally, rinse the lettuce thoroughly 3 times to remove the salt, then squeeze out as much remaining water as you can. This step is crucial for perfect kimchi. The heart of our kimchi is the flavorful paste. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of vibrant gochugaru with 1/4 cup of finely minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger and 3 tablespoons of savory fish sauce. For a touch of sweetness and balance, incorporate 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of water to achieve the right consistency. Finally, mix in 1/2 cup of thinly sliced green onions and 1/4 cup of shredded carrot. This paste brings all the magic. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Gently mix your prepared, drained lettuce with the vibrant kimchi paste until every piece is evenly coated. Wear gloves for this step to protect your hands. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into an airtight container, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess. Then, refrigerate for up to 2 weeks to enjoy its optimal flavor and satisfying crunch. Enjoy your homemade lettuce kimchi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.